So last video we have seen how to import a repository from local and how to import repository from remote to local, everything. So this video I'm going to explain how to create a new branch and push to the remote. Okay, so why we have to create a new branch? So see, for example, already we have created one repository. So what happened when I pushed last commit, it directly came and merged with master. So if one member is working, it's fine. So if multiple team members are working, if someone like mistakenly or replace the file, so it will directly merge to master. So to avoid this, so we have to create a separate branch, like working branch. So how we have to do it? So here we have git branch. We have only master. Okay, and what are the files we have? Only one files. So we'll create another file called new file dot text. Okay, so put something on new file, test new file, test branch, this save command. Okay, so we have added new file, but we don't want to push directly to master. Okay, when we see a new project, so there is only two files. See, the command for creating a new branch, git checkout -b you have to use and give the branch name. For example, dev, I can give dev branch 1. It switched to new branch, so you have to see this message, switch to the new branch called dev branch. Even when you do git branch, you can see two branch which is selected, dev branch. Okay, git add the new file which you created, you have to add git commit -n created new file and branch. Okay, this is a git message, git push. Actually, whenever you create a new branch, it will ask you to set upstream. So when you enter git push, it will return you the command. So just copy and paste it. Only for the first time you have to do it. Okay, so it's asking us credential, just hello, but you have given hello always. Okay, now it pushed. If you see in the new project, still there is a two files, but see in branches you can see master and dev branch. Okay, so what to do to create a what to do to merge with master? Click on new pull request. You can write anything, maybe add a new file as a command. This is a mr, so we'll call pr pull request and create a pull request. Okay, so if you go to new project, still there is two files. Go to pull request and just open the pull request and merge it, confirm merge. Once you confirm merge, when you go to new project, now you can see two files. Okay, but the branch still exists. You can revert in future what are the thing like you have updated, and in commit also you can see. So now when you, for example, you are in git branch, now you have to switch to master, git check out master. This is how you have to switch to other branch. If you see, there is only 2 files. So what you have to do, you have to do git push, sorry, git checkout for taking new files from master. Git checkout origins as master. Okay. Sorry, I missed it. So before that, just do git pull. It will pull all the code from master. Simple. Okay, it asking git branch. So it's some head. So do git checkout master. Now do git branch. See, it's located to master. Now do git pull. Okay. Maybe now you can see 3 files. This is how you can take updates from the remotes git pull. If you have a conflict or something you cannot do, then you have to resolve the conflict. Okay guys, I think you have learned how to create a new branch and how to create a pull request, as well as how to approve the pull request. So these are the things we have learned in this. So once the pull request approved, it will be moved to closed one. So for the future reference, still you can refer here. When you click on closed, so it will be there. Okay. Okay guys, if you have any comments or if you face any issue while running the commands, please put it on comments. For future videos, you just subscribe our channel also. Thank you.